So today's day 2, and today was walking tour. It was about almost 3 hours a walking tour, which is free. You just have to kind of give your donations at the end if you thought it was a good trip, which was pretty good. It was very history intensive, so it was a lot of information about like Spanish history, going to the palace, going to a bunch of different places. And so yeah, if you're in town and you like history, it's a cool thing to check out. And I'm over here at the San Miguel marketplace. It's a place that has some of the best tapas in all of Madrid, and you can come in and just walk around. Let's go check it out. Alright, so that first one was serrano ham on a caprese mozzarella. Now this next one is called a burrata, and this one is blueberry, and I have no idea how to attack it.
Is this burrata?
Mm-hmm.
How's the burrata?
It's pretty good.
It looks wonderful.
It's really good. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
I like to see you eat because you are enjoying food and you like life.
I do.
Fantastic, mate.
Alright, so that was San Miguel Marketplace. Got some sangria, had some serrano ham, had some burrata, also had chorizo, and there was also some paella. So overall a good trip. You should definitely check it out. So we did the walking tour this morning, burned some calories, went over to San Miguel Marketplace, had a bunch of food. Now we're gonna go get some churros, but wasn't gonna get the ones at the marketplace. There's actually one that's supposed to be known as the best ones in all of Madrid. So we're gonna go check that out right now. It's right down the street, but I also want to stop and show you the Opera House. So the Opera House here took over 30 years to build, and then Isabella II said, this is taking too long, let's get this done now. Knocked it out in 6 months, and it's right down the way from the churro place. So if you want to check it out while you're here, come take a look. Alright, we're just getting here to San Miguel. It's supposed to be the best place. So let's go find out. So I definitely lived up to the hype. It was really good. Sorry I couldn't record everything. They needed a table because it was so packed, so I couldn't really record anymore. They do have some outdoor seating right there. That if you want to sit outside, it's pretty nice out. I didn't know they had that many tables outside, but if you go, definitely check it out. So after the churros and chocolate, I'm gonna head back over to the hostel now, Sungate 1 Hostel if you missed day 1, and see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Tomorrow, doing a trip with the hostel out to Segovia to check that out. It's more of like a traditional town, a little bit more to the south. I think it's only a couple hours away, and it should be fun. So yeah, heading back to the hostel now and see what I'll do for the rest of the day. Catch you later. So I'm here in front of the Reina Sofia Museum. It happens to be free today from 7 to 9 o'clock, I believe. So I'm gonna do this one and then try to catch a sunset tonight if I have a chance. I don't think I will because there's supposed to be a lot to see here. So let's see if they'll let me use the camera inside. See you inside, maybe. So we just left the Reina Sofia Museum, and it did close at 9, so we didn't have much time to take a look at it. And also in the sections for Pablo Picasso, we had Guernica, you weren't actually able to film or take any video in there. So I got a few photos of some of the Salvador Dali stuff, but the rest of it couldn't really do. Right now, sounds like there's some soccer games going on, so there's a lot of stuff going on in bars. But we're heading over to Círculo de Bellas Artes, which has a rooftop bar. So we'll see if we can check out sunset from up there, and we'll see how that goes.